Did you know the global AI healthcare market is expected to cross $180 billion by 2030? That's a massive opportunity for healthcare businesses. Because healthcare organizations still using traditional systems struggle every day with rising patient volumes and staff shortages. They also deal with administrative task overload and delayed responses. In fact, healthcare professionals spend nearly 50% of their working hours on operational tasks rather than direct patient care. At the same time, patients now expect faster responses, real-time communication, and online healthcare access. They also demand personalized care and 24/7 support. It's clear that traditional healthcare systems can't be scaled. That's exactly why healthcare businesses building AI-powered healthcare applications. But building an AI healthcare app in 2026 is not just about adding AI features. You need a complete strategy, scalable infrastructure, AI chatbots and agents, and automatic diagnosis solutions. Here, a question arises. How to build an AI-powered healthcare app in 2026? What technologies are required? And what does the complete development process look like? In this video, we'll break down the complete process step by step. So take your pen and paper and let's get started. The first step is to define your use case. And it's the most important stage of the entire development process. Which problem is your healthcare app actually solving? This stage is critical because 35% of startups fail simply because there's no real market need for their product. Your AI healthcare app must focus on a very specific use case, like telemedicine platforms, medical image analysis, or administrative tasks automation. For example, a telemedicine app requires video consultation systems, communication infrastructure, and appointment system. Each of these components needs to be planned and built independently, then integrated into one system. Meanwhile, a medical image diagnostic platform needs medical imaging analysis, computer vision models, and healthcare prediction systems. The AI analyzes scans and generates diagnostic reports automatically. And a healthcare administrative automation tool requires appointment scheduling systems, medical documentation processing, and billing and insurance management. That's why defining the healthcare problem correctly becomes the foundation of the entire application. Once the use case is finalized, the next step is to plan the healthcare workflow. Healthcare applications are far more complex than traditional mobile apps. They're not just tools, they're ecosystems. They support patients, doctors, laboratories, administrators, and insurance systems, all working together in one connected platform. This is where businesses design the complete healthcare journey, from patient registration and record access to appointment scheduling and prescriptions management. As poor workflow planning creates operational inefficiencies that cost billions in annual administrative waste. After workflow planning, the next step is building a secure healthcare infrastructure. These platforms handle sensitive patient information, and data breaches in healthcare can cost over $10 million per incident. To protect patient data, your AI healthcare app must implement role-based access, secure healthcare databases, and protected APIs. Cloud platforms like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud are the most widely used infrastructure foundations for AI healthcare apps, providing security and compliance capabilities. Now comes the AI development stage. This is where the platform's actual intelligence is built. Healthcare apps with AI see 45% more patient engagement, 30 times more appointment capacity, and 24/7 automated assistance. If your app includes AI chatbots, disease sign analysis, or AI medical agents, you need to build these on the right AI foundations. For AI that understands healthcare language, you'll need NLP frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Hugging Face transformers. These frameworks help AI understand patient conversations, symptoms, healthcare questions, and medical context. Hence, your healthcare app responds instantly, routing correctly and engaging patients 24/7. And if your healthcare app needs to analyze medical images, X-rays, MRI scans, CT scans, or medical imaging reports, you need computer vision at its core. You must use computer vision technologies like OpenCV, TensorFlow, and deep learning models, systems that help AI detect patterns invisible to the human eye. These systems help AI detect patterns in medical images and assist healthcare professionals with disease detection, abnormality identification, and diagnostic support. Some advanced healthcare platforms also integrate wearable devices and IoT systems for real-time health monitoring. This allows healthcare providers to continuously track heart rate, glucose levels, medication adherence, recovery progress, and patient health conditions. After the AI engine is developed, businesses move into back-end and front-end development. The back-end is the operational core of the entire healthcare platform. Technologies like Node.js, Django, FastAPI, and Java Spring Boot are most commonly used to build app backend. These systems manage patient records, appointment workflows, APIs, AI requests, notifications, and all healthcare operations. On the front-end side, the goal is simple: create healthcare experiences that patients and doctors actually want to use. Healthcare apps typically require patient mobile apps, doctor dashboards, admin panels, and telemedicine interfaces for a different type of user. Technologies like React, Next.js, Flutter, and React Native help businesses build these interfaces. Flutter and React Native in particular allow businesses to launch both Android and iOS healthcare apps from a single codebase, reducing costs and launch timelines. Now let's move into telemedicine and engagement systems. Modern healthcare is rapidly shifting toward personalized virtual care delivery. That's why many AI healthcare apps now integrate video consultations, AI voice assistants, AI healthcare chatbots, and remote patient engagement systems directly into the platform. These systems improve patient accessibility, reduce operational workload, and scale healthcare delivery. After development, the next stage is compliance validation and testing. Healthcare apps require far stricter validation than traditional software because these systems directly impact patient care. Testing includes security validation, AI model accuracy testing, workflow testing, performance testing, and healthcare integration testing. Depending on your region, your healthcare app may require compliance with HIPAA, GDPR, HL7, or FHIR integrations. Finally comes deployment and continuous optimization. Most AI healthcare apps are deployed using scalable cloud environments, but deployment is not the end. It's the beginning of continuous improvement. AI healthcare systems improve using patient interactions, healthcare analytics, operational data, and usage patterns. You must monitor AI performance, patient engagement, and healthcare workflow optimization. And that is the complete process of building an AI-powered healthcare app in 2026. If you're planning to build an AI healthcare app in 2026, click the link in the description and schedule a free consultation with our team. Our experts will build a custom roadmap based on your specific needs. If this breakdown was valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.